Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Friends, in the human rights class, we have discussed the rights of the refugees. Basically, a refugee is a person who, out of persecution, prolonged persecution, political persecution from his native country, cannot stay in the particular country and he wants to take a refugee status in the other country. There is a refugee convention in the year 1951. So the main rights of the refugees are: number one, right against refoulement. They cannot be driven away to their places against their will. Suppose if the situation is settled and if the situation is okay, if they want to get back their country, yes, they can be allowed. But please remember, they cannot be driven away without their willingness. This is the main right. Other rights are there except like right to vote and like right to education and right to other things. Other rights are there for the refugees also, because they are also human beings and their right has to be respected as a human being. But no doubt, India is a party to the Convention of 1951. They can allow, but there is a limit to our country also. Our financial resources, basing on that only, we can allow or we can give refugee status to certain persons. Of course, India did not raise its voice. Yesterday, actually that is on Tuesday, 13th of this month, a meeting was held wherein 24 countries participated in Dhaka, that is Bangladesh. On 12/9/2022, right? Please remember, Indo-Pacific Armies Management Seminar. It's a 3-day seminar. Indo-Pacific Armies Management Seminar. It was commenced in Dhaka on 12/9/2022, wherein the military officers of 24 countries participated. So, as per the protocol, the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Srimati Hasina Begum, right, so she stated that the prolonged stay of Hasina Sheikh, yes, prolonged stay of Rohingyas, definitely it is impacting the stability of Bangladesh. You may be knowing, the Rohingyas, they were persecuted from their native country, that is Myanmar or Rangoon, Burma. Yes, from there they have come to different parts of Bangladesh, even to India. Rohingya, Chekmas, they are all creating problems in India also. But anyway, they have migrated to the neighboring country Bangladesh, and Bangladesh has accommodated about 1 million people, right? And in the inaugural address, Sheikh Hasina said that more than 1 million Rohingyas are staying in camps, and their prolonged stay for more than so many years, definitely it is impacting the economy of Bangladesh. This is more important, right? She said, apart from their own miseries, no doubt, definitely they do not have enough space, they do not have enough food, they do not have enough leisure and rest because they are staying only in the so-called camps. Apart from their own miseries, their prolonged presence is causing serious impact on the economy. Number one, on the environment, because unhygiene, so many things are there. Environment, security, and socio-political stability of Bangladesh. So this is the opinion expressed by Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Of course, since US is the co-host of the so-called gathering, and India, Canada, Australia, Japan, China, Indonesia, and Vietnam, they participated. Actually, they wanted to have a look at the refugee camps. So this is a 3-day camp. So actually, the participant countries, they are going to discuss the topics of disaster management, then transnational crime, transborder crime, like exportation of the so-called NDPS substances from Pakistan to India, like that. Then security issues and also women empowerment. So since she stated that the situation is grim regarding the Rohingyas in Bangladesh and they may affect the economy, the participants, they have decided they will visit the refugee camps actually to see the plight of the so-called Rohingyas. So actually General S.M. Shafiuddin Ahmad, he is the chief of Bangladesh Army. He invited these people to visit the refugee camps and see the plight of those people. Very good decision. But anyway, in this video, what you have to learn is, while discussing the human rights, yes, you have to keep up the human rights of Rohingyas. They are the rights of the refugees, 1951 convention. At the same time, they are impacting the economy of Bangladesh. How many days freely they can give food? Apart from their miseries, they are causing actually a hindrance to the environment, to the economy, and also to the security of the nation also. And the social security, political social relations with Myanmar also, they may get affected. Anyway, this is a cautionary actually citation from the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. So please remember, whatever you can do, yes, definitely you can do, but beyond your control, you can't do anything. This is what is stated by Hasina Sheikh. So please remember that refugees, definitely they do have rights, but they have got limitations. If you know this much, it is enough. Thank you very much.